Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Malai Seekh Gravy. Step 1, making chicken seekh kebabs. Add 300 grams of boneless chicken in a chopper. Add a handful of coriander and a few mint leaves. Add cheese cube. Add 2 tablespoons plain flour. 4 to 5 green chilies or as per taste. Add 1 chopped onion. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon chilli flakes. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 1 bread slice. Blend well. Add 1 tablespoon butter. 2 tablespoons thick cream. Give it a quick stir. Blend well. Consistency should be like this. Remove in a bowl. Place burning charcoal on it. Drizzle some oil. Give it a charcoal smoke for 5 minutes. Discard the coal and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the gravy paste. Heat up the oil to caramelize the onion. Take 3 sliced onions. Fry until crispy and golden brown. The onion is fried well. Remove it. Drain the excess oil. Let it cool down a bit. Separate the onions. Perfect fried onion. You can use this in biryani or khichdi or use in any food to garnish. Put fried onion into the blender jar. Add a handful of coriander mint leaves. Add 4 to 5 green chilies or as per taste. 1/2 teaspoon sesame seeds. Add 1 tablespoon melon seeds. Add 10 to 12 cashews. Add require water. Blend into thick paste. Keep aside, we will use it later. Now let's make the chicken seekh kebabs. Grease your palms with oil. Take some portion of the mixture. Take skewer and make seekh kebab as shown. Let's see how I cook this seekh kebab. Take skewer and make seekh kebab as shown. Char them on direct flame. Keep rotating. Keep roasting until marks appear. Once kebab is done from the outside, it will be easily removed from the skewer. Keep kebabs on the plate. You can make 2 or 3 kebabs at a time. Char them on an open flame on either side. Keep rotating. Keep cooking. Roast kebabs 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame until marks appear. Once it's done, it will easily be removed from the skewers. Similarly, I made these all. Make sure to cook enough to hold the shape. Repeat the same procedure for all. Place 2 to 3 kebabs on each skewers. The mixture is enough to make 12 seekh kebabs. All kebabs are done. Once kebab cools down, put in a Ziploc bag. You can store in the freezer and thaw whenever you need it. You can put in gravy or biryani or shallow fry and have it as it is. Put some butter on griddle. Add the same fried onion oil. Put our seekh kebabs on hot griddle pan. Cook until tender and grill marks appear. Flip the sides. Cook from another side too. All kebabs are done. Remove it. For gravy, take 2 tablespoons butter. Add fried onion oil. Add whole spices cinnamon, bay leaves, star anise and dried chilies. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Fry until ginger garlic rawness goes away. Pour ground paste that we have prepared earlier. Fry well. Put some water in the same mixer jar, add that water too. Combine well. Fry 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, add 1/4 teaspoon green chili sauce. Pinch of chaat masala. 1/4 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon mace and cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon yellow chili powder optional. 1/4 teaspoon white and black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Roast well. Cover and cook 5 minutes or until oil separates. Give it a quick stir. Add 150 grams curd. Mix well. Keep flame on low. Cover and cook 3 to 4 minutes. Oil has separated once again. Put grilled seekh kebabs on the gravy. Mix well. Add some water. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook 8 to 10 minutes. Add half cup cream. Combine well. Cover and cook 5 more minutes. Keep stirring in between to avoid it sticking on the bottom. Give it a cold smoke for 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves. Add a handful of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Oil is released, which means masala is cooked properly. Garnish with cilantro. Sprinkle some fried onion. Drizzle some cream. Simmer for 2 more minutes. Our delicious Malai Seekh Kebab gravy is ready. Dish out. Remove in a bowl. Garnish with coriander and fried onions. Drizzle some cream on it. Do give a try this delicious recipe with roti or biryani rice and share your valuable feedback with us. It will more thickens once cools down. Do try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.